We're going to talk about thoughts, and we're going to think about them in two different categories. The reason why this is important is because thinking is half of the equation in the thinking-feeling loop that creates our state of being. So we're going to have X and Y thoughts. X is every familiar thought that's connected to every known person, place, or thing in our life that has formed our current identity. Meaning, when we are based in X thoughts, we're just based off the familiar. Nothing's really changing. We're kind of just stuck in life. Y thoughts are thoughts that give us a clear vision of the future and help us to emotionally embrace our future. The reason this is important is because we think anywhere from 6,000 to 60,000 thoughts a day, and the end product of a memory is an emotion. End product of an emotion is more thoughts equal to that emotion. And so it creates this thinking feeling loop that creates our state of being. And so depending on the percentage of X or Y thoughts in our thinking feeling loop is going to dictate what change happens in our lives. And so the reason why change is so hard is because our body gets emotionally conditioned. What are words? Wow. Emotionally conditioned to the emotions of our familiar past. And so even if you do want to change, you can say, I'm healthy all you want. But if your body is conditioned to feel like crap over decades, you have this incoherent message between your body and your mind. And the goal is we're trying to connect both of these to have the same message. So we have to break the emotional addictions to X thoughts and replace them with Y thoughts. This is how change happens. Now, so for a large portion of our adult lives, we live in X, and we are strengthening and reinforcing the same neural circuits and activating the same patterns in the same way. Which that means it's going to create the same thoughts, the same emotions, and the same habits. And so this is why change is hard. We have to break the emotional addiction to the thoughts we don't want to think. That'll be it for this part, and then I'm going to zoom in a little bit and we'll go over how neuroplasticity works.